Guys, we're going to be making a tinfoil shrimp boil. That's right, in my Ninja Foodi grill, but this can be done in any air fryer. Coming up, Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. So glad you're here. You heard me right. Today we're gonna do a shrimp boil using a tinfoil boat, and we're gonna do it in the Ninja Foodi grill and griddle. I know I use my Ninja Foodi grill and griddle a lot, but this can be done in any air fryer. We're basically going to be air frying, baking these in the tinfoil, making this boil in the tinfoil. We're gonna do 20 minutes at 350, and when it's done, the flavors will blow your mind. Trust me on that one, all right? Y'all, this is part one of a 4-part series on shrimp recipes in your air fryer. I'm gonna use my Ninja Foodi grill for this whole series, but these can be done in any air fryer, okay? As the videos are released this week, I will start adding iCards up here, and then in the description below, I will add each link to each video as I release them, okay? Today is Tuesday for the first video. The next one will be out in 2 days on Thursday, then on that subsequent Sunday, and then the last one on the next Tuesday. So a week in between for all these 4 videos, okay? Make sure you check them out. Subscribe down below and hit that bell so you can get alerts on when these videos come out, because you're going to check them all out, okay? So what I've already done to get this boil ready was cut up these little potatoes. I have these little red potatoes. Some are big, some are small. I decided to at least cut them in half just so they're cooked evenly throughout. The next thing I cut up was the smoked sausage. Now I'm just using regular old smoked sausage, but you can use andouille, any kind of Cajun flavors you want to use, all right? And the last thing is I cut up a corn on the cob. This one packet is gonna be enough for 2 servings. I'm basically, giving each person 2/4 of corn on the cob, okay? The shrimp is jumbo shrimp. I'll probably put a pound or so in there. Just depends on how full the packet's getting. I'm using red Argentinian shrimp. They're very tasty, they're very sweet. I will have the ingredients listed down below with a link to my website so you can get a printable version of this recipe. I think we're ready to get started on this one. We've overtalked it a little bit, but that's okay. Come on down to the Ninja Foodi grill station, otherwise known as, that's right, my kitchen island. Let's get going. All right, team, let's turn this thing on. I have the griddle plate in there to make it a nice level, flat surface. We're gonna turn it on. We're going to use the bake feature. We're gonna go to 350, so hit that temp button, turn it up to 350, hit start. We're gonna cook it for 20 minutes, but the rest of it, it's gonna show 35 minutes on there, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna cook it for 20 minutes. Okay, we got some heavy duty tinfoil. And we're gonna make a nice little envelope out of it. Yeah, so the first thing we're gonna do is fold up one side, about 1/3 of the way through. We'll fold up the other side more like halfway through or so. Okay, so when we fold them together, we'll kind of make a packet like that, and then we'll fold it over. Give a little indentation over here, just as a guide of where we kind of want our little foil packet, our little boat to end right here. And what we're going to do is once we get 3 sides sealed up, we're gonna pour in a little bit of chicken stock, about a half a cup, and then about a half a cup of wine in there. But I wanna put all the solids in there first, okay? Let's add our potatoes in there. I'm gonna go for, a couple handfuls. Get those corn cobs in there. Get some sausage. And then our shrimps, we're just gonna get them laying around anywhere and everywhere they'll fit. And I'm leaving the shells on just because I like a good peel in each shrimp, especially when we're doing these boils. You guys can de-shell them if you want, so no stress. So we got there 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 shrimp. So 6 shrimp per person. We're gonna add about a teaspoon of garlic in there, a little at a time. We don't want it so concentrated in one spot, so just a little bit. Got a half a stick of butter going in, 3 little pats. You can go ahead and add that hot sauce right now. Again, The recipe will be down below with a link to my website for the printable version of this. Next thing, we're gonna add a little Creole kick. You guys can use whatever Cajun seasoning you like. I'll put a link down below for Sweet Smokie Joe. It's up to you if you guys want to use this stuff, but this is kind of my go-to for Cajun seasoning. Cajun, Creole, whatever. Get as liberal or as loose as you want to get with this. Next up, we're gonna use a little Cajun black seasoning in there. Y'all have seen me use these seasonings before. A little olive oil, just a little bit over the top, a little extra flavor. Add our lemon slices in there, and then we'll start folding this thing up. You want to get as tight, as sealed as possible. Okay, in all directions. You want the steam to stay in there. You don't want any leaks. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and pour in everything off the side here. Got a little chicken stock. We're gonna add about half this container, so about 4 ounces of chicken stock. Let's add our half a cup of wine. You know I'm gonna try it. And you know it's that Justin wine, little Sauvignon Blanc. Give it a shot. And we'll go ahead and seal up this end. Tight, tight, looking good. All right, our shrimp boil packet's ready to go. Let's go ahead and get it in the Foodi grill. Carefully, go ahead and put it on there. Shut it down, and we're just gonna go 20 minutes. Just that easy. Set it and forget it. We'll see you back in 20 minutes. The 20 minutes is almost up. It smells amazing in here. Get ready for this. We're gonna go ahead and get back down on the Foodi grill station. Open up a little bit. Make sure you stay away from that steam. Don't put your face over it like, hey, I can't wait to see this. No, open it up gently and easily and keep your face away from it, okay? We've just been boiling wine and chicken stock for 20 minutes, right? So just be ready, just keep mindful of that. Let's go ahead and check this out. We got about 40 seconds to go. I'm so excited. Guys, 20 minutes is up. Like I said, be careful. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this foil open just so I can check it out. And it is going to be hot in there. I had a buddy that used to say, I'm a trained amateur. Let's get a little parsley over the top. You gotta have the greenery. Normally I would put this in the foil while it's cooking, but I need some vibrant color for the pictures I take. If you guys take pictures, make sure you tag me on Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. If you duplicate my recipes. Well, that's looking dang good right there. All right, let's dig this out and give it a try. We got the boil out of the tin foil. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off this, peel off these shells for the shrimps. Put those aside. There we go. Good looking. I love these Argentinian red shrimp. Got our little corn, potatoes, a little sausage. All right, let's give it a try. All right, we got our shrimp right here. I mean, it's perfectly done. Little bite of potato. You gotta get all those flavors working. Little sausage. Man, what a feast. What a feast. Little corn on the cob. Y'all, I'm not Cajun, Creole, from the South, any of that stuff, but that right there is money in the bank. Too good. And like I said, it's easy to do this in any air fryer. Because in the long and short of it, you know, an air fryer is basically like a little oven. So, you know, the same way you do it in the oven, you even do it on a grill using these foil boats, packs, envelopes, whatever you want to call it. They're going to turn out this well. So like I said, 350, 20 minutes, you're good to go. Okay. Got a meal. This is enough for 2. The recipe will say serves 2. If you want to try to fit a little bit more in there, you probably could. I could probably put another 1 or 2 servings in there to get to about 4 servings, just to get a little bit bigger tin foil boat in there, but the griddle plate had plenty of room. So if you need to make more than the 2 servings that I did today, just double up the recipe and you should be good to go, okay? I hope y'all have stuck around this far. Be on the lookout for the next shrimp recipe, all right? Like I said, this is the first of 4. If you guys want to get one of these Ninja Foodi grill and griddles, the links are down below. Get knives, cutting boards, merch, all that stuff are all down below. You could also go to my website that will have the printed version of this recipe and all the recipes in the series as they are released. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real, become a show producer, like all these fine, beautiful, attractive, nice, quality people right here, make sure you hit that join button right next to that subscribe button, which you should have already hit. But other than that, we are done. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.